Hello guys and welcome to another post-market analysis of Bank Nifty. Today is December 5th and tomorrow is going to be an expiry day for Bank Nifty. So here we are on a daily chart of Bank Nifty. This was an interesting day because yesterday we have seen an record high gap up opening and after that record high closing, and today we have expected from yesterday's video even well, in yesterday's video we have said that today is going to be some sideways action because of this huge trending day that we have seen yesterday. So likewise we have seen a gap up opening, but then this candle itself is not so confident with the head and to wicks forming, and this is a spinning top candle, and that too we have seen after a gap up opening. So this levels was the earlier resistance levels for the Bank Nifty. So yesterday after seeing a close above that, and today we have seen a continuation of the uptrend with the gap up opening, but then the candle of Bank Nifty itself is not so confident. It is there we have seen some spinning top formation there in today's price action. Whereas in Nifty, if you notice, even in Nifty, see yesterday, despite of this gap up opening, Nifty is being the uh, hero of the index charts. So day before working day, before last Friday, we have seen a all-time high close, and then we have seen a recent high. Okay, so yeah, so yesterday we have seen again a recent high there, and then today is also we have seen new levels of 20,850 levels of closing. So yesterday, if you notice, after opening, Nifty has shown some interest towards coming to the bottom, but then it quickly reacted, and we have seen a very good close towards the upside. So today is also there was some interest shown by Nifty while I mean, after the opening, we have seen some sort of movement towards the downside, but then immediately Nifty reacted sharply, and then we have seen close towards the upper side levels of 20,850. So both in these 2 days you notice that immediately after opening we have been seeing that Nifty is going to test some levels towards the bottom side and then going towards the upside. So here we are standing at a all time high record of Nifty. So yesterday, the last weekend was the election results of across the country in many states, and then that effect was there on uh, yesterday's markets, and even it's been carry forward for today. So Nifty, on overall, Nifty and Bank Nifty both are in an uptrend, not just in an uptrend, but we are at an all-time highs. Okay, Nifty has got a momentum, plus side momentum of 168 points today, and Bank Nifty has a 580 points of moment today. Okay, so from compared to yesterday, so let's see whether there is anything that we can learn from price action. But before that, you see, this is a Bank Nifty chart. So tomorrow both these two levels are going to be very important, because considering today is a kind of sideways market. So if you see any close above that, after that Nifty, we can say that the Nifty is going towards the upside, but then if it is coming towards the downside, so these levels are very important. If you see any close on a daily candle below this level, then we can see some sort of a pullback. But in both the cases, so we have this level is going to act as a very strong support area, this green line right there, because that was the previous swing reactions, previous peaks that we have on Bank Nifty's chart. And then when coming to the Nifty, and tomorrow is going to be an expiry day for the Bank Nifty also, so it's going to be very interesting. And even for the Nifty, this level is going to act as a support, and also this gap in between right there. Okay, this huge gap is also going to act as a support for the Nifty if it is coming towards the downside. But then both are at both are in an uptrend, Nifty and Bank Nifty. So let's now get back to our intraday price chart of Bank Nifty and see what is there in today's price action to learn. Okay, so yeah, so this is the price action of Bank Nifty for today. Okay, So I'll remove that, and then I'll remove this as well. Okay. So to begin with, we have seen Bank Nifty open at 46,930 levels, and then immediately we have not seen any bullish candle. In fact, we have seen a bearish candle as a first candle in Bank Nifty, and even the next candle, second candle, is also bearish candle. But then the third candle is an interesting formation, because here we have seen uh, a bullish engulfing pattern. This is a bullish engulfing pattern right there. So from that level, Nifty has sorry Bank Nifty has seen a momentum towards the upside, and then seen some resistance at 47,000 level, because this is the level that the new Bank Nifty is coming to test for the very first time. So 47,000 level is going to be a very crucial level for the Bank Nifty, because that is the level, that is a round number, and that is being tested by the Bank Nifty for the very first time. Okay. So in either cases, if you notice the entire price action of the Bank Nifty here, if you see, this is the opening and this is the close. Okay, we have almost seen a sideways market, a sideways momentum there, because you see there is a swing low, there is a swing high again, there is okay. So Bank Nifty has remained in this zone. All right. But then, if you ask me where was the right chance to trade after this swing high, okay, we don't have any support here. But then you remember that the Bank Nifty has opened at 46,935 for the very first time. Bank Nifty was in this level. Okay, so whenever you have situation like that, and when you see a very important formation, especially when the Bank Nifty is super bullish, and then when you see a bullish pattern like there, like this one, you can definitely, that was an opportunity to take a trade. But then this itself, this bullish engulfing pattern plus that reaction low has given us uh, a chance to draw a support like this. So after this, let's see where was the reaction. So at 2020 on a 5 minute chart of Bank Nifty, here we have seen some sort of some sort of uh, momentum that has given us a perfect doji candle here, after which, before that, is also, this is a spinning top candle. Okay, here we have seen some sort of rejection. There was doubt in the moment of Bank Nifty, and this remained for the next more than, see, okay, sorry for that. Okay, so here, if you notice, starting from 10:20 to 11 o'clock, Bank Nifty struggled at this location, and then it failed to give us a close above this candle. See, until here, until this candle, 10:20 candle, we have seen continuously higher high from here, from 955, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. Okay, here also we have seen a higher high, and even we have seen higher closes. But this is the candle, 1025 is the candle which bought us the initial doubt, because we have seen a doji at all-time high levels, 47,000 levels. And then if you also notice, here you have seen that is a shooting star. So your first doubt would have come from, okay, your first doubt should be the spinning top, and your second doubt should be coming from your this perfect doji formation. And also this is an engulfing pattern, these two candles, right, put together is an engulfing pattern. Okay, so by now you have this candle high has created a swing high. So that is why you would have drawn a resistance like this one. And then after seeing this candle, okay, after seeing this candle, okay, that is a shooting star coming at an all-time high. We have already discussed about the shooting star, and that video is there in our candlestick pattern series. You can you can see that if you want to gain more knowledge on candlestick pattern. And because in that video we have discussed about when to enter, where to enter, and what should be your target towards the downside, and why is the shooting star very important when, especially when it is coming at an all-time high, or at the recent highs at least. So here it has given us after this couple of indications, we have a spinning top, and we have a doji, and we have a bearish engulfing pattern, and we have seen a swing high formation there as well. And after that, we have seen this shooting star that we could have gone towards the downside. But then they remember this was not going with the trend, because the overall trend of Bank Nifty is the uptrend. Here you are betting against the trend, and that is okay. if you have this many confirmations, and then here you have a momentum of, there was an opportunity to capture a momentum of, see, until this support level, that is 375 points here. Okay, so here you would have taken, or some people would have been skeptical, but those who are very aggressive towards the uh, believing this pattern would have taken a trade there, and then waited until all these at least this bearish engulfing pattern, that is 300 points there. So if you are aware of the candlestick patterns, and if you are aware of swing highs and lows with support and resistance levels, you would have made approximately 600 points right here. Okay, and then let's see what has happened after the bank nifty, when the bank nifty came close towards the support area that we have drawn. Okay, around 11:45, 10 11:40 and 11:45, these two candles put together, we have seen a bullish engulfing pattern again. That is a very important pattern. And then we have earlier bullish engulfing pattern there. So that pattern again gave us a chance. You would have taken a trade. Okay, that even if it is not reaching there, okay, even at least till the close, you have another 172 points. Okay. Okay, so that's how was today's market, where there was around 600 to 600 plus 170 points, that is around 770 points. Chance was there for those of you who are very good in candlestick patterns and understanding the support and resistance levels, would have made that 700 points even on a sideways market of bank nifty like this. So tomorrow, these two levels are going to be very important. If you see any breakthrough above this area with a proper confirmation on an intraday level, at least on a 15 minutes, or double confirmation on a 5 minutes chart, then you can be bullish. But if you see any close below this, then you should be really careful, because that might be a pullback towards the gaps that we have from the day before yesterday. See this huge gap. Okay, so be careful while trading tomorrow. Don't trade with heavy quantities. The don't be in a hurry. Okay, market. Let market settle. Let market create some swing highs and lows on a daily chart, and then wait for the pullbacks so that you can have a better opportunity in taking your profits higher. Okay, so that's it with the bank nifty. And again, coming to the nifty chart on 5 minutes, so you see here nifty, the initial candle, the very first candle of the nifty itself has given us a huge range, and for almost most of the time, almost 80 to 85% of the time, bank nifty has remained in this zone only. Okay, but if you look for the opportunity, okay, here this is an inside candle formation. After this big candle movement, this would have been, okay, let me zoom in that a bit. Okay, yeah, so this itself is an inside candle formation right after a very big red candle there. So that is one sign. But those who have missed an entry there would have seen some. See, this has created a swing high, and this has seen a close above the swing high. Okay, we are talking about this moment, and then it has a pullback, and then it has given us a close there. So there was an entry from there. So from there you would have taken your trade till there, and then after that you would have simply trialed your trade until you have seen any stronger confirmation coming from the upside. Okay, coming from these candles on above this level. So that sort of confirmation came at these two candles. This is a bearish engulfing pattern, but that was not ideal location to enter into a put option, because this line itself is going to act as a support, because that was the high from where it got rejected. This candle got rejected, so that was not a proper entry. But then again, if you see here, we have seen some sort of confusion, and then here you have another bearish engulfing pattern. This time your target is little far away, so this would have been a trade. So this was a momentum of say 25 points. This would have been a trade, and again we have seen a pullback into this zone, but there was no confirmation candle which is coming right after that. So we couldn't say that that was a good trade location. But anyways, those who are very greedy, sorry, those who are in urgency to take a trade might have taken, and those would have taken a trade to this level, and those who are very greedy on their profits would have even trailed that position towards this levels. But how would you know until you see until you see a proper confirmation reaction from this level, so that you can exit from this trade. See, first of all, this is not the right location to enter because there was no a proper confirmation candle. But then if you notice here is the bullish engulfing pattern, but then again, this was not coming at this level. If the same pattern is touching this line, you would have confidently taken that trade and kept this as your profit. But in this case, there was still a chance for the Nifty to test this level, so that was not a right location. But it has been a sideways market overall for the Nifty as well. You see, okay, starting from there, it has seen a very big drop in the starting, and then again you have seen all sorts of moments. But then again, finally towards the closing, Nifty has seen a positive close, but not a very a strong, great a bullish candle on a daily time frame. Because of this pullback, we have seen a close from there to here is only the green color body. The rest of this price action is remaining on a daily chart as a wick. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is what we were talking about. This is all wick. Okay, so for tomorrow again, these levels are going to be very important. So that level, okay, so these two levels is this is a complete rejection zone in the Nifty. So keep a note on that, and then trade accordingly. So towards the lower side, we have this huge gap right there, is going to be act as support, and then the zone itself is pretty big. So be careful with that. But if you see any close any if you see a momentum continuing after tomorrow's opening, if you see a swing high and swing low, if you see higher closes above the swing highs, then you can be with the trend. Otherwise, you should be really careful towards for the pullbacks of Nifty. So that's it for the day. Hope we have learned we have learned something from today's price action of Bank Nifty and Nifty, especially Bank Nifty. So remember how important the candlestick patterns are, and how important is the support and resistance areas on an intraday levels are going to be. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for today. See you in the next post market analysis of Nifty and Bank Nifty. Please do subscribe to our channel for more such valuable and meaningful content on the Indian stock markets. Thank you.